All right, here's the big news. I'm welding on this mount here for that's a quick coupler, and that's a custom mount for a John Deere backhoe that goes on a gang drill to drill concrete. Here are those oval bosses. There's a slip fit in the back here. I got some rock mount Polaris 100,000 psi tensile strength. We're gonna load this in this machine here. ZILA programs. Carbon steel. Polaris with 7525 in 0.35 diameter. Let's load some wire. Okay, does it look familiar? It's a Miller M25 front end you would find on your 251 or 252. So to weld out of position, I'll lower our settings a little bit. Of course, you're never supposed to weld vertical down on something that thick. Yeah, even the vertical up doesn't look horrible. The second pass will smooth that right out. Yeah, looks pretty decent. Okay, so those bosses here, I'm gonna short circuit those on. These pockets here, I'm gonna spray arc, or almost, it goes to a globular transfer. I'm gonna weld those out globular. Yeah, a little bit smoky in the house, but the machine did good, and the wire did good. So overall, I'm pretty happy with the outcome. This is going on a John Deere tractor loader backhoe, or loader backhoe. I'm not sure it's really a tractor. And this is for a gang drill. You'll see the install on a separate video. The pin distance on the original machine is different than it is on that attachment, so it needed an adapter. So I laser cut these plates out here, drew them up in CAD, had them laser cut out, welded this all together, and this gets welded on top of the gang drill. You'll see in the next video how it turns out. Thanks for watching.